Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Henschel. I'm your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today we're going to be learning the Billy Bounce emote. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, okay? That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I got a free hip hop class that's available to everybody. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box below. Check my Twitch channel for that schedule. All right, you guys ready to hit Billy Bounce? Let's do it. Alright, so this is how you do the Billy Bounce emote. The first thing you're going to do are these kind of like wobble legs. That's what I call them. And it's something that we actually teach our students in class as well. So what you want to do is you want to keep your knees bent like this, your legs about shoulder width apart. Okay, if you get too wide, you can't really get those knees to come in. So you want them about shoulder width apart. You want to bend your knees, and my weight is on my toes. So if I turn this way, you're not going back like a squat. You're bending your knees forward, and you got your weight on your toes. That way you can get a little bit more range of motion in there, okay? And all you're gonna do is just go like this. Go in, 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 in with your knees, okay? That's all your knees are doing. Now what ends up happening is you're gonna shift your weight as you do that, okay? So if I face this way and we do the very first move, you're gonna step on your right foot, go left, right, go right. So all you're doing essentially is just stepping to the side, stepping to the side. And as you do that, you want your knees to come in, so your heel is going to almost kind of come up like that, okay? The more you bend and the more you rotate from the hips, the better. If your knees start to hurt, you're rotating from your knees, stop immediately, because you're going to start getting swelling in there. Those tendons are going to get pulled. It's not a good thing. Let me show this with the arms and the feet together at the same time, and I'll break it down step by step. Okay? 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and. So basically, your feet are doing the same thing for the most part up until 6, okay? So you go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, okay? 6 of those. 2 of them, you have nothing. It's just your feet, okay? So you're gonna go and 1, and 2. And on the third one, swing your arms this way. Swing them this way, then swing them this way, then swing them this way, then touch them here on the shoulders, okay? So on 6, your hands are gonna go to the shoulders. On 3, your arms start swinging. It looks like this. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and swing, and swing, and swing, and touch. Then what's gonna happen is instead of bringing that leg down again, to do the other leg like we've been doing, you're gonna go straight into it, okay? So if this is 6 right here, so if this is 6, you're gonna go straight into it. 7, and 8, and. So go straight into that leg going up on 7, then you're gonna have and 8, and, okay? Just like that. Knees are still bouncing, still doing the same thing. There is a look as well. I'm gonna show you that look, and it happens on 4. So if your hands start swinging on 3, your head's going to look on 4. It looks like this. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Then you look, then you look, then you hit 7, and 8, and. Now, if you need to, rewind that, go back, do it again a couple more times. Repetition is your best friend. That's how you get this stuff, okay? Just doing it over and over and over again. Let's move on, shall we? It's going to go like this, okay? You just went 7, and 8, and. From here, you're going to do the same feet, but you're going to swing your hands. 7, and 8, and. Boom. Swing, and swing, and swing, and touch. Okay? So your hands are just doing this. Swing, it's your first one. Then do a full circle, go the other way. Do a full circle, go the other way. Then your hands are going to come forward to touch. Kind of just like touch your stomach like that, okay? Put that together from 7, and 8, and. Boom, swing, boom, swing, boom, swing, and 4, cross. Then you're going to touch your shoulders again, right there, okay? And then from here, you're going to step down to go 6, 7, and 8. So as soon as you do your last swing, you're going to go cross to your shoulders, push it down to 6, And then you're going to swing from here, 7 and 8 and. Then your legs do the same kind of 7 and 8 and. Okay, so what happens is you still got the knees going in. Now you're switching your weight and you're picking the foot up, 7 and 8 and. Put it all together, it looks like this. Okay, from here again, you're going to 7 and 8 and. You go step, swing, step, swing, step, swing, step, touch, and 5, go, 6, 7, and 8, and. Always want to think about the arms swinging the opposite direction as your leg. So if this leg is up, the arms swing this way. So boom like this, okay? Whatever leg is up, your arms are going the opposite direction, and that's the same case throughout this entire emote. Now, let's put it together from the top of counts. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and step, swing, step, swing, step, swing, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and. That is the Billy Bounce emote. If you're having troubles with the knees bouncing as you kind of go to each leg like that, don't worry about it. It's hard. It's not easy. Just remember, if you're feeling any tension in your knees, stop, okay? Get used to bending your knees and pushing forward, yeah? Because all that rotation happens in your hips, not in your knees, okay? So you want to think about your hips going in like this every single time you do it. So you step, rotate your hip, step, rotate your hip. So there you go, guys. Let's do this with music and the skin with me. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you guys, congratulations. You learned another awesome Fortnite emote. If you have any requests for other emotes, put them in the comment section below. I will check them out, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.